Hi, Amphi has released a new stock categorization for large cap, mid caps, and small caps. The new recategorization happens every 6 months, and the current new classification will be valid from August 2024 to January 2025. Large cap threshold has been increased from Rs 67,000 crore to 84,300 crore. Top 100 companies qualify as large caps and they account for 63.6% of overall market capitalization. Mid cap threshold has been increased from Rs 22,000 crore to Rs 27,600 crore. 101 to 250th company qualifies as mid-cap and they account for 18.2% of overall market cap. And finally, stocks below Rs 27,600 crore market cap will be categorized as small caps. Micro and small caps will account for the remaining 18.2% of the overall market capitalization. Now let's have a look at few stocks that are being reclassified because of this update. The stocks that were previously classified as mid-cap stocks and will now be considered as large cap include Hero MotoCorp, BAIL, NHPC, JSW Energy, Bosch Limited, among others. And stocks that moved from small cap category to mid cap category include Housing and Urban Development Corporation, Hitachi Energy India, Blue Star, BAC Limited, etc. Additionally, around 32 new stocks are being introduced into small cap segment including Aadhar Housing Finance, Juniper Hotels, Gopal Snacks, SRM Contractors, etc. Usually, reclassification happens as it helps mutual fund manage concentration risk by adjusting their portfolio. This adjustment increases stock visibility as they move across categories. For such regular market updates, do subscribe to Kotak Securities YouTube channel. Thank you and stay tuned.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.